Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Ubisoft team for support. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubisoft.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Ubisoft website. Now you may scroll all the way down and click on help in order to get in touch with the support team, or you can proceed with logging into your account first. Once you have logged in, when you click on the account icon at the top right corner, you will see the customer support option. Go ahead and click on this. And now, you will find various different options that you can explore. If you don't find any of your issues, then you can scroll all the way down and you will now see the email support option. Click on contact us at the right side and you can now choose the game or service as well as the category. After choosing both of these, scroll down and enter the issue that you are having within the description box. And you may also add a screenshot or a video if you wish by clicking on the add files option. After entering both your description and choosing your issue, click on the open case button and now this will send a support email to the Ubisoft support team. Once your email has been sent, you will receive a response soon, and within this response you will find the steps that you can take in order to solve your case. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the support team for Ubisoft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.